Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the free business effective courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. We proceed with session 6. Session 6 first point is network is everything. If you are a loser and you are losing with losers, you are going to stay a loser. The people around you need to be thinking about money and thinking about hustling. Otherwise, you do not need to talk to them. The point of a network is to increase aspects of your life. And going to the next point of session 6 is keep your pants dry till the big guy is hard. Enjoy your business, but do not be excited or giddy about your business. Learn some emotional control and do not get giddy. When money comes in, do not get very excited. You should quickly find ways to get more money. Every day is a new day. Wake up with a broke mindset. So you want to make some money that day. Live right now in the present and always chase more money. And going to the next point of session 6 is send people their money back. Refunds and giving money increases your trustworthiness with stakeholders. You build a lot of trust when you send the money back and they will spend more later. Send the money back system helps you to retain clients and acquire repeat purchases. This system has a psychological effect on people. And the next point is you have to hard close on people. People do not buy things if you do not hard close. You can do the false urgency thing, running out of time thing, or you can do the if you do not buy now, it is going to be hard to get this deal later. Hard closing is better than soft closing. With hard closing, you are going to lose some people. The people you close outshine the people you lose. And going to the next point of session 6 is business is not real until they pay. This means until you get money in the bank, the business is not real. And going to the next point of session 6, which is stress tolerance. You need to learn to care about things mentally but not emotionally. How successful you are as a hustler is directly linked to how much stress you can tolerate. Money making is only stress tolerance. When you are making money, most of the times you are taking stress out of other people, especially if you provide a service. You are adopting someone else's stress for cash. The more stress you can adopt, the more money you can take. You need to have high stress tolerance. Being successful is stressful. And going to the next point of session 6 is convince people that they need whatever you sell. You do not talk about the product, you talk about their needs. Sell the need, do not sell the product. People buy things they need, but they sometimes buy things they want. And going to the next point of session 6 is until you have lots of money in the bank, contracts are not real. Legal paperwork is not real until you have lots of money in the bank. If you are a new business, do not waste time and money to sue companies that owe you cash. In general, you want to do your business on trust and cash. Mutual interest is better than contracts. Do not rely on contracts. And the next point of session 6 is make sure your partners need you and make sure you need your partners. If you realize that your partners do not need you and you do not need your partners, then you should do business on your own. And going to the next point of session 6 is every purchase is an impulse purchase and they are not buying on price. At the point of buying, it is an impulse purchase. You need to implement factors that result in impulse purchase. And going to the next point of session 6 is promise your clients a future. When you talk about the future, you presume the present. Talk about how your business is going to affect them in the future. And that's all, folks. That is the end. See you in the next session. Thank you and goodbye.